Hi, I'm Ben Canning. This macro lecture is on momentum and impulse. As always, you need 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, a 1 to 2 sentence summary, and your follow-up questions on Google Forms. Alright, so the big idea for this unit is going to be, or that we're working towards in general, is that we've already looked at describing motion and the effect of forces in simple scenarios. But really, what do we do when something's more complex? So what I mean by that is we've looked at constant forces and one force on one thing. But what happens in like a case like billiards or pool where you have multiple things hitting each other? How do we describe those scenarios? So that's what we're going to be looking at is how do we analyze and describe motion as well as the effects of motion in more complex scenarios. So the unit focus, we'll be looking at using momentum to predict changes in motion and forces during collisions. And finally, our collection focus, this one's going to be on understanding what is meant by the term momentum. So before we can look at how to understand collisions and things along those lines, we really need to know what is momentum as a way of understanding those collisions and that sort of stuff. That's it for this one. 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, 1 to 2 sentence summary, and your follow-up questions on Google Forms.